What if I told you the wildest Brabus ever built doesn't roar onto the Autobahn? It parks beside a cliffside vineyard, pops out a panoramic deck, and brews your espresso in Italian marble silence. And yes, it's bright yellow. If you're new here, welcome to the channel where engineering brilliance, automotive ambition, and pure lifestyle performance intersect. And today, we're diving into something that bends all known definitions of the term motorhome. This is a 2026 Brabus motorhome, a collaboration of extremes, where elite overlanding meets unapologetic luxury, and every square inch is saturated in speed-born swagger. Now, Brabus isn't exactly known for being shy. From ballistic G-Wagons to V12 sedans that rewrite physics, their legacy is forged in carbon fiber and boosted air. But this is different. This is a declaration that even nomadic life deserves a turbocharged edge, and frankly, it might be the most outrageous vehicle they've ever built. Start with the stance. This isn't just a dressed-up Sprinter or some rebadged Caravan. It's a heavily re-engineered, widened rebalance 4x4 Titan built on a next-gen Mercedes-Benz heavy van chassis. One that Brabus has completely overhauled with their bespoke suspension geometry, active damping, and upgraded axles sourced from their military-spec programs. The bright yellow paint? A custom 3-stage ceramic-infused finish that shifts tone with the sunlight. It's not for subtle entrances, and that's the point. Underneath the sculpted hood is a 4.0 L twin-turbo V8, the same power plant Brabus tunes for his flagship G900. Here, it's been detuned slightly to prioritize torque and thermal management. Output? 720 horsepower and a staggering 950 newton-meters of torque, electronically limited. Top speed? 155 miles per hour. On a motorhome. Let that settle. Step inside, and this is where the narrative pivots from ridiculous to resplendent. The cabin doesn't mimic a luxury apartment. It exceeds it. Brabus has outfitted the interior with deep-grain leather sourced from their private Italian tannery, trimmed with Alcantara so finely stitched it makes Maybach interiors feel dated. The flooring? Charred oak veneer laid over noise-insulating composites. There's even active air suspension for the cabin. Yes, for the cabin, to keep your champagne steady while crossing the Dolomites. It sleeps 4, but not in the traditional sense. The rear transforms into a full king-size memory foam suite, complete with panoramic dimmable roof glass and climate zoning independent of the main HVAC. The front dinette area converts not into a bed, but into a theater lounge, with a 4K retractable screen and integrated Dolby Atmos array, all voice-controlled, all customizable, and all powered by an onboard lithium titanium battery array, backed by retractable solar wings and a level 2 fast charge plug-in. And let's talk toys. An integrated hydraulic motorcycle lift swings out from the rear bay, revealing space for a custom Brabus electric scrambler. There's also a drone bay for scouting campsites, a 12-camera security suite with motion alerts, and yes, a deployable espresso station trimmed in forged carbon, with ceramic burr grinders and a dual boiler system designed in collaboration with La Marzocco. But here's the real kicker, the price. Brabus hasn't officially listed it. What we know is that the first confirmed build delivered to a UAE client eclipsed 1.2 million euros. And there's already a waiting list. This motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about status. It's a rolling symbol of excess that asks, why can't your adventure also be opulent? And while most motorhomes promise freedom, this one delivers it with race-bred engineering, unapologetic design, and a level of attention to detail that borders on obsessive. It's Brabus untethered, unplugged from the track, but still roaring with purpose. A V8 powered sanctuary in bright yellow, made for the rare few who don't just want to escape the world. They want to own the road out of it. If this kind of wild luxury on wheels fired up your imagination, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more machines that redefine categories. And drop a comment below. Would you take this million-euro beast off-grid or straight to Monaco? Either way, stay tuned. The future of mobility is only getting faster, louder, and more fascinating.